gentlemen, welcome to the channel of Inspiring Trader. Yes, we are going to discuss 4 pairs and also gold, and one is already in front of you, which is ready to blast, but I don't want you guys to take entry over here, so let it retest. I thought of asking you guys to first subscribe this YouTube channel, hit the notification button and all, but in front of you Australian yen or JPY is already blasting. So what you guys can do is, I have already taken entry. You can wait for some good retest. It is already, it is departing. It has departed already. And if I'm late like 30 minutes or 1 hour sharing this video, I'm sorry for that. It is already departing. What you can do is you can wait for retest, where even I'll be adding the quantity at this, okay, in this pair, like Australian and Australian JPY. That's what so many people call so many pairs, so many types of name. Anyway, so you can take this trade with the stop loss of this one, very small stop loss, where here we can keep, okay, and the target will be over here. Based on weekly time frame and all, I have set my target, so I won't be taking you to weekly time frame. And you can also take half of this as conservative target at this place. It's better. Half of this will be here, isn't it? Yeah. So this will be the first target and this is the second target. So this, what actually this is doing over here is that it is inside the channel. See, it is in uptrend. So it is making higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Whenever it is falling, whenever it falls, it bounces back. So it's like, if you are my student or if you are a trader, you know about this, right? Like Dow theory, high, low, high, higher low, higher high, higher low. So you can find this structure in this. That is why I'm bullish in this. And so I won't be talking much about this because it's already departing. So but at the same time, I will be telling you that to take entry if you find any retracement, or if you find any pullback or retest entry, because this is an uptrend. Okay, so this has high probability of going more upward. All right, so the next pair is Euro New Zealand. Okay, what actually this, I have taken stop loss recently along with my student. It was a good hit for me, I think $200 I took stop loss, but still this is on my radar because this is at very good level. Okay, now it was in very good uptrend. Okay, after downtrend it reversed, it made higher high, higher low, and it was in uptrend, and now still it is in between uptrend and in downtrend, and it is in sideways. So we have some opportunity over here. If I take you to this 4 hour, I can show you why it is at important level. See, yeah, so these are the important level. Let me take the brush. This one resistance. Now there was a breakout, massive move, breakdown, and again then it is taking resistance. So resistance, isn't it? So if you zoom in, you can see properly that this zone, which is heading towards to 1.63731, which is, the price is coming towards this level. So that is why I want you to put this on radar, that it may bounce from here. Okay, it can go up, or if you find any good bearish candle like this, you can short. The high of that breakdown candle can be the stop loss, and you can take entry for the target of, I'll tell you one more thing, there is one more structure in this. Okay, all right, okay. So we have to be aware of this trend line, guys. When you are shorting, the first target can be 1:1. Okay, this trade is 1:1, but at the same time there is something more which we can see. So here you can take this as the first target and the second target will be very interesting because it will be inverted flag and pole. So if you are a trader, if you are my student, you already know that how to set the target, right? So we will have very good big target. Okay, So this will be the technical target, but what I want you to do is take few quantities, don't take big quantity based on your risk management and your capital. This is the target. If you find any good bearish candle of breakdown from this again, if you find it breakdown after the first target, hold it. If you have say few quantities, say 2 quantities, where one quantity you can exit at first target, second target you can hold it until this target. So this will be the very beautiful trade for short selling. And if it is on buying side, what do you have to do? On buying side, if you find any good bullish candle, go long. Go long. Below this bullish candle will be, or below this zone will be your stop loss, which is red. So that is the stop loss, and any good bullish candle in 1 hour, go long. At the same time, there is something which you have to be aware of, this trend line. Okay, so if you go long at this one, if you go long at this any bullish candle, your first target should be over here. Okay, it may take resistance of this trend line. So the second target is beautiful if it gives breakout. So this is one pair which you have to watch it. Put it on alert. You can put alert on in investing.com in mobile app. That is where I put alert. Or if you can just go and Google which app is better to place an alert for Forex pairs or stock market things and all. You can just go and download it and you can place an alert if you're not in front of system most of the time. Okay, so this is, I hope you have got the levels of Euro New Zealand. All right, so yeah, and at the same time, if you imagine you have any doubts when you're watching this, you are not able to find any good weapon or anything like breakout or breakdown candle, and if you have any doubts, you can just WhatsApp me. My WhatsApp number is there. I'm always there to help you all. All right, and at the same time, if you have not participated our Forex webinar for free, which we are conducting, okay, so you can just WhatsApp me that you want to participate. So I'll add you to our WhatsApp group, and you can start the journey if you are a beginner. And if you know someone like your friend who wants to learn about trading, just share this video or share my WhatsApp number, let him message me, and our team will take care of that. Okay, so if they can participate in our free Forex webinar. All right, so let me take you to the other pair. Now this is one more USD. Again, this has already departed. I don't want to give, but let me show you the method of taking trade. This has departed. Okay, I'm sorry for that. So when this low was broken, USD CAD. This is for learning purpose, guys. So I believe this is not just to give levels, rather it's much about educational, like I want you guys to learn. So this is an entry at this place from this breakdown candle, and I'm sure like this will be the target. In case we can also take entry if this candle closes at this place. So what I'll do is, here somewhere we can take entry. I'll be taking, because it's not too bad, because the stop loss is near. Okay, so this is the breakdown area, black line, and stop loss will be somewhere here. Okay, this will be the stop loss, and this will be the target. Now you may ask why this is the target. I'll show you. So if you watch it in 4 hour or daily, you can see that it is inside the channel, see, or trend line. There is one long trend line which is coming. Okay, so see, so it can come and take support, so that can be our target. All right, so if that is broken, then we will see, I think next week maybe. All right, so I hope you got the level, so I don't need to ask that sorry and all, because even if it has departed, you can take trade. And I'm sorry if this video is posted after 30 minutes, because I don't know when I'm going to post. It's not I don't know, the quality to process inside the YouTube, it takes time. So anyway, so you can just look at this also, and I'll show you one more, this one. Okay, Australian CAD. This is also at a very good level. I think this is the last pair which I want to talk, and we'll be discussing gold then later. So this was in downtrend, guys. This was in downtrend, And then what happened? This trend line, there was a breakout. Here, let me see. Yes, there was a breakout, and there was a breakout, and it is doing this base. As I always say, when it is creating base, you have to be very careful, and you will get an opportunity to take a good quality trade. So here, what the price is staying, and it is in sideways. Now, same as Euro, New Zealand, same as this. You can also look for this. Where is it? Okay. Why? Because there is one trend line which is coming from this place. Yeah, look at this. So I always say that, right? When trend line and support is meeting each other at some area, that area is very important. I don't know if you remember about Australian Switzerland, which I've taken the trade. I did really good amount of money in that. So it's the same setup over here. Okay, so what do we require here is, in case if it is making any bullish candle over here, this area, let it come. Okay, just don't go and take trade. Let it come here, and if it is taking any good bullish candle, if it creates any good bullish candle, then you can go long with the stop loss of whatever the bullish candle's low will be the stop loss, and the target will be, the first target will be this one. Got it? So then if we can see if any candle goes above this, then there will be blast. Remember my word. Okay, so then the target will be somewhere over here. So I think it will take some few days or few weeks or few hours. I don't know. But all what we can do over here is we can see something for buy on buy side. And also you also have this sell trade also. If you find any bearish candle at this area, you can short it, stop loss again above that candle. And also if you know how to take retest entry, then you can also wait for retest and then take entry. The target will be this one. First target. Second target will be this area. So yeah. So I hope you understood the level of Euro New Zealand, Australian JPY, USD CAD, also Australia AUD CAD, like Australian Canadian pair. So I think 4 is enough, and the video is getting more longer. And we have this one which I have given in my Telegram channel. You might have seen if you are in Telegram channel, and if you are not in Telegram channel, you can just click the link which is in the description. Okay. All right. So I have already given this trade, but let me explain a little bit about what is happening over here. Okay, so that you will understand. So it is inside the channel, and what is it making? Definitely it is in rising wedge, and it is making higher high, higher low and all. Okay, yes, but here there is one trend line which is taking, which may take that in, which may give impulsive move, because impulse and correction, again there can be an impulse move, and it can take support until this place. Okay, so it can reach until this place. So that's why my target is over here. And again, this has already departed. I'm sorry, but I hope this will give you some idea how to take trade. That's why I'm explaining. And if you're not in Telegram channel, go and just join over there. It is for free again. And yes, so I hope this will help you out to build your mindset, and this will definitely help you to go much faster in this trading journey. All right. And yes, my target will be getting hit, and I don't know if I can show you in my phone. Let me see. Okay, so yes, some $300 is going on. If I'm able to just copy or record this, I'll add it over here. If not, I'll just send it on my Instagram about this trade. All right, so just share and like this video, guys. Share it with your friends and families, and I want you guys to help out, support this channel to grow. And yes, so because I'm putting my time and effort explaining about this for free, isn't it? Definitely yes. All right then, guys, see you. Best of luck.